Mechanical engineering. What is mechanical engineering? Well, mechanical engineering started way back in ancient Greece. The work of the Archimedes created the first steam engine. Later on, James Watt improved that steam engine so much that he might be said that he is the father of the steam age and the founder of mechanical engineering. Now, some daily tasks that mechanical engineers do. Mechanical engineers read and interpret blueprints, technical drawings, schematics, and computer-generated reports to meet requirements by applying knowledge of engineering principles to emerge in fields such as robotics, waste management, and biomedical engineering. Now, when you grow up, you may think about becoming a mechanical engineer, but there are other types of engineers out there. For instance, there are mechanical engineers, aerospace engineers, automotive engineers, contracting civil engineer, control and instrumental engineer, maintenance engineer, and nuclear engineer. Now, before all of this, there are some educational requirements that you must meet in order to be an engineer. Some requirements typically include a high school diploma, of course, with a full menu of math and science courses. In addition, you need to have humanities and computer studies. Most employers prefer a bachelor's degree in whatever engineering field you wish to go for an entry level engineering job. Now, after you get all your degrees, there is something else you must do. Some professional requirements you must meet. By law, you need a professional engineering license if you wish to provide public engineering service. To obtain this license, you need to graduate from a engineering program and have 4 years of experience in engineering and pass the PE examination. Now, some earnings. Different engineers make different types of earnings. Aerospace engineers make roughly about $107,830. Automotive engineers typically roughly make about $68,883. Contracting civil engineer make about $63,851. Control and instrumental engineer make about $75,000. Maintenance engineer $80,000, and nuclear engineer make about $105,810 annually. This is the median pay. When you graduate, get all your degrees, get the license you need, you might want to work for a well-known company. Here are some well-known companies that you would like to work for. There is NASA, Google, Boeing, Apple, Lockheed Martin, Microsoft Corporation, GE, Avalion, and United States Department of Energy. There are more engineering companies out there, but these are the most popular ones that you may want to work for. Now, here are some well-known projects built by mechanical engineers. One of these As one of these is the Apollo 13. The Apollo 13 was the 17th manned mission in the Apollo space program and the third intended to land on the moon. Besides the Apollo 13, this is not a well-known project, but have you ever wondered who built the first car in the world? Well, exactly who invented the automobile is a matter of option. If we had to give credit to one inventor, it would probably be Carl Benz from Germany. Many suggest that he created the first true automobile in 1885 and 1886. Now, if you were to get your degree and license within this year and next year, here are some current job openings that you may would like to apply for. Manufacturing engineer located in Burnaby, British Columbia in California. Employee full-time. Income 64,716. Evaluates manufacturing process by designing and constructing research programs. Nuclear engineer location Melbourne, Florida. Employee type full-time. Income $102,950. They research and develop processes, instruments, and systems used to drive benefits from nuclear engineering and radiation. Now, to top this off with an additional information, mechanical engineers could design a safety harness for an upside-down amusement park ride, model the bending and twisting display of the solar panels on a space telescope. They could, most importantly, design surgical robots that improve precision and reduce incision size, blood loss, pain, and heal time. One last and final thing, they design carbon fiber prosthesis blades for high-speed running. That's all for mechanical engineering and other engineering fields by Rafay Hassan and Dilton Ham.